What's going on YouTube? It's hot out here. Woo! Alright, so today on the 81 LS swap, base model Caprice, that's gold with blue interior. You check out them Wilwood front brakes. Woo! Check out them Bubble Caprice PPV wheel brakes. It is hot out here. Alright, so today, what my goal is to get the front suspension components swapped out. Not the pitman on, but I think everything else is gonna get swapped out. Shouldn't be that difficult, shouldn't be that hard. I need to take that bolt off and unbolt that. And then that should be it. And then we'll take it off. Oh, look at the suspension. Look at them new shocks, baby. Woo. Oh. And then I'm gonna lay it out. We're gonna put the new stuff to the exact same spec as the old stuff. And this is just like the cheap $80-$90 Amazon eBay front end. The ball joints are missing, the upper and lower ball joints, because I already have them in the suspension. So I redid these upper and lower control arms, and the ball joints from that kit is already in here. That's why they're not on the table. The boots that come with them are black. They feel cheap. I have the Prothane polyurethane bushing kit on this car, and it came with the in and out of tie rod boots, so I put them on there. I went ahead and put the grease fittings and all of them, tightened them down. They are 7mm, and then I have the cotter pins and that bolt right there. So I will be back once I get the suspension off. I get everything laid out, I get everything matching. I'll be back. This will still need to go to a alignment shop because my car does have the Beltec 2-inch blowing kit on it. So, but it'll get it good enough to where I can drive it a little bit to get it where it's going. Because they're gonna have to do the shims on the upper control arms. Oh, doggone walls! And then they also gonna have to, adjust whatever they need to get the toe where it needs to be. So yeah, it's hot. I'm gonna turn this fan back on. I'll be back once I have the old stuff off and the new stuff laid out to match the old stuff. And sorry about the audio. I don't know where my DJI mic is, but I need to find it because it was $100 and I had it yesterday, and I don't know where I put it down, which is not like me. So sorry about the audio. It is not as good and as crisp, as clear as what it normally is. But yeah, I'll be back once it's all laid out. Alright, y'all. Got the old front steering stuff out. The new front steering stuff is right here. I got it all adjusted about to the same as what it is from the old stuff. So I'll be back once I get it thrown in there. And I'll probably go ahead and put the 9C1 front sway bar in there as well. So when we come back, everything should be in there looking good and fresh. I still have not found my mic. It's still hot out here. A lot of time has elapsed because the driveway was full of cars, and I put a couple pictures in of the cars that came by, some friends and family. But I do have the front steering stuff and the front PPV sway bar in. So we have the outer tire rods and the steering linkage and all that stuff in, looking fresh. And then you can also see the PPV 9C1 Bubble Caprice monster heavy solid killer weapon front sway bar in. I don't have the end links in because I'm tired and I'm about to clean up and I'm about to go home. So yeah, outside of the end links, and I could do that, I just don't feel like I need to clean up. But yeah, the car is coming right on along. The front, the suspension on this car is pretty much done. So I do need to do the exhaust shifter linkage. I was gonna do the transcooler and the transcooler lines, but I went to go get the factory fittings. Oh, I gotta move all this stuff. Jesus. I went to go take the factory fittings out, and this fitting came out just fine. Well, I went to go get the other fitting out and twisted and broke it. So I didn't even worry about doing the lines and stuff today because my motivation was lost once I broke that. So, but yeah, car's making good progress. This will be the only time that I'll be able to work on it this month. So these videos, instead of coming out back to back, they might be staggered week to week to give y'all some steady content and to give me time to be able to make more content before y'all consume all the content that I just recorded over the last 3 days. But yeah, I gotta pack and clean up all this stuff somehow or another in my Mazda because I drove my truck the first day. So let me pack all this stuff up, let me go. But yeah, like everything you do, and if y'all watch my videos, y'all should know my little slogan. Like everything, oh, what's going on? Why my trunk won't close? Like everything you do, always remember, think, build, enjoy. Peace.